Hi everyone, I MD Sajid Dilak along with my friend Sabiti Jashan have done a mini project based on the topic armature type attractor relay for under voltage purposes under the supervision of Somendra Sarangi sir, assistant professor in NIT Uttarakhand. Now coming to our project, just have a look on it. This is supply. This is supply that which has been given to the variac, and some variac two probes have been coming to our relay. Here are two probes from which they have been connected to the core, and this is our armature type attractor relay that which will be working for under voltage purpose. Now the main question is why we have done this mini project. The reason is that when there is a 220 volt supply to our loads, when there is a slight decrease in the voltage just by say 220 to 180 or 200, then the loads get damaged, as our all loads have been done on 220 volts base. When there is a decrement in voltage, we should indicate that there is a decrement in voltage so that we can disconnect the load. Yeah, we can make a circuit breaker that which strips the circuit. So this is the main reason for our making of our project. Now coming to the apparatus used in our project are a plywood on which two vertical wood pieces have been mounted, that which of each 10 centimeters, and an horizontal one that which is of about 12 centimeters. And we have used a core which is the heart of our mini project. It is done with the help of the transformer core, that which is E. The middle, this part and this part have been cut, and L shape has been created as seen in the figure. This is the L shape. L. Let's have a look on it. L. And over that these bobbins have been connected. This white color is the bobbin on which about 100 turns wire have been wounded on it. This acts as our armature, and this is mainly used because when the supply is given from these two wires, when the supply is given about 12 volts or 24 volts, this acts as a magnet, as we all know that F equal to Ki. When this acts as magnet, we have used this wood pick on which the down part is given an iron pieces have been mounted on this wood so that they attract when this get magnetized. And we have made even a trip circuit with the help of a rubber band. When the variac voltage is below 12 volts, this balanced horizontal beam initially it will be like this, and now it falls downward direction, and our trip circuit will be activated. This is our trip circuit. Here is the switch of the trip circuit, and here is the buzzer. Now initially we will on it, so it's working. This is the battery, and when this falls downwards, the circuit will be completed for the buzzer. Now let's see the working of it. Please on the switch. Now see, my colleague will be increasing the voltage from 0 to 220 volts. 220 volts. Now let's have a look on the multimeter. See, when there is a 12 volt is there, when the 12 volts have been fallen, this have been attracted. Now my friend will gradually decrease the voltage from 12. See, from 12 volts my friend will gradually decrease the voltage. Now just have a look on the horizontal beam. It will slowly fall downwards. See. Did you observe it? Once again repeat it. Now concentrate on this horizontal one. When there is a 12 volt, it is fallen in this direction. It is attracted. Now when my friend gradually decreases the voltage, it automatically falls. See, initially it was like this, now it has fallen like this, and as soon as it falls downwards, our buzzer get activated. This is our project. Now coming to your question that why we have used 12 volts. As we all know that we are using a PT here, that which is of about 220 by 12 volts. Now why we are using a variac? As we all know that from 220 to 12 volt transformer we can be using, but we couldn't get in the market exactly that it is converting from 220 or 230 to 12 volts. So we have been using a variac from which it behaves like a transformer. Generally on secondary side voltage we are supplying with the help of the variac. Now when the supply is given, we have taken this project with 12 volts base. As soon as my friend puts it on 12 volts, see, the cursor is increasing to 12 volts, the circuit gets stripped, and as soon as my friend is decreasing it, so in this way the circuit gets stripped. In this way we can prevent our loads getting damaged from when there is a decrement in voltage. So these are our measurements. For the tripping purpose we have been using a rubber band. Sorry that we couldn't get a spring that is a fixed spring constant kV. So we have been using a rubber band so that we can calculate the reverse force that which will be helpful in pulling in backward direction. See, this is giving the restraining force for us. So when the supply, now step by step explanation is given here. As these two wires have been coming here, here are two probes. When these two probes are connected to the variac, and as soon as we supply here 12 volts, then this gate falls down, and when there is a decrement in the voltage, suppose it's say 10 volts or 8 volts, it falls from this to this point, and our buzzer gets activated. Now in this our error is that we couldn't make an exact tripping point. That is that when there is an increment in 12 volts it gets attracted, and when there is a decrease in the 12 volts it gets tripped. So the manual error in this is about 20% approximately. When there is a 12 volt it gets attracted, but when there is a 9 volts it gets tripped. This is the main error in our project. So this is about armature type attractor relay for under voltage. We would like to thank our Sarangi sir for helping in this project, and all our staff members for showing this. And we have been making this project with the help of mechanical department in mechanical workshop. We have made a box for it so that it will be protective, just for the protection purpose. This is the switches. We would like to thank all our faculty for helping in this purpose. Thanking you. Yours sincerely, MD Sajidullah and Sabiti Jeshwant. Thank you.